Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Dare to Be Creative, and I am here with a haul today from TM Smaller Haul. But sorry about the lighting. When I cut the light on, it's raining. Well, it's not raining, but it's going to thunderstorm because you can see the lightning and the stuff coming up. I cut the light on, so it's dark outside, but if I cut my light on, it makes it too bright. If I cut it off, then you see my shadow. Sorry. Anyway, so just a tiny little haul, just a couple little small things I picked up early in the week. And I should go tomorrow get something different. Just got a couple of the different, these been out, it's not necessarily anything new. I just got them because I was doing a Bible study and I wanted to break in a new Bible, so I just got some of the highlighters. It's the way that I study in the Bible. But anyway, these are just some different marker, different colors that you have seen before. At Tuesday morning, $1.99. And actually, there are different SKUs on them? Yeah. One doesn't have, oh yes it does. Okay. So this first one is 1963673. And of course, like I said, this is Darrow Bible journaling. They're just highlighters. The next one is 70. This one is 74 on the end of the last two digits. And that one is 75. So if you don't know, if you're new to Tuesday morning hauls, they have the sticker has a SKU number over top of it, and you can call the 1-800 product hotline, 1-800, I forgot what the number is off the top of my head, and you put in your zip code in that SKU and it'll tell you if it's in your area. Sometimes more than one item could have the same number, so sometimes you gotta watch for that, but that's when they get things in bulk. A ton of different variety of the same thing. They may put the same number on it, but most of the times the individual SKU number you can call and find out where's the closest store to you with it. Picked up a couple, I don't think I have this one, some little page like flags and whatever. This one is Hearts Design. This one is the Faith Illustrated. I may have it, I'm not sure. If I do, it'll be in a giveaway. $1.49 is 1968875. Hopefully you can see that. And then I know I don't have this one. This is the Snap one. Oh Snap, and is my story card 1983745. And that's what that looks like. And then I picked up some Pebbles wood ephemeras, and these are just like woodland animals. And it just says Woodland Forest. It's $1.99. 1984252. Okay, scratch that for the 15th time. Okay, 1984252. What in the world, darling? Okay, I don't know what the problem was. I can see it. I don't know if I can read it. So, this is not new, but they just brought it back out again. Actually, this one just came back out in the store, but it says May 18th, so I know it's been out before. I've seen it this year and last year. This is the Momenta Stars, and it is $3.99, and it's 1971994. This is 02. This is on clearance. This is from 8/17, so it was 20% off with an additional 25% off. Regular price was $4.99, so I got it. 1861687. I don't know what the problem is tonight, not being able to read some numbers, but this should be the size of an A2. Yep. So that's how big it is. So I think it was $3, maybe $2. It was $5. I think it was down to $2. And I don't think I had this. I know the other one has a dream catcher, and I didn't get the other one. And I don't know if I already had this one. I think I don't. But this one also says Find Adventure. Hello, dear. How cute, pun. But then $3.99, and this just says deer. 2012206. I'm always having deer outside of my window at my new job. Oh, it's distracting because you just want to stare at them. And I missed the big buck. They had the humongous antler. I saw one that had some small ones, but they had a real big buck, and they took a picture of it. I missed it that day. I was playing hooky or traveling or something. Anyway, this is the Let's Cruise by Carter Bella, $149. I thought it was $1.99. Good deal. These chipboard stickers, and it's 1988310. And so it says Sailing, Ahoy, Caribbean Line, Miami Sea Cruise, First Class, Bon Voyage, Liverpool, Cabana Number, Sea Day. Just a whole bunch of things like this. So nice ship traveling cruise kind of stuff. Then I did get another Project Life stamp set. This one says favorable, cute girl, lovely, baby, adorable. $1.99, 1982415. And I'm hoping these aren't too crooked sideways. I don't know, because it has been an issue. I had my phone set up to do all my videos the right way, and then some got pressed, couldn't undo it in my software either. I don't know. So hopefully you'll be able to see it. These were the little texture impressions, and these by Sizziz, basically embossing folders. And most of these are designer line. They had, I don't know, maybe 30 different designs. So each store has different ones, so you probably have to check your store. I just got a few. This one I got baby, like I mentioned before. 2 of my staff are pregnant. So this one is a baby, has baby on it, and it's 1978306. Yep, they all have different numbers. Okay, so you won't be able to see it, but that is how that looks. So it's a vertical A2 card with the word baby. And if you don't know what an A2 is, that's when you take a 8.5 and 11 piece of paper and you fold it in half. When you fold it in half, you get 2 cards out of it. So that's considered an A2. So this one side right here, you fold in half again and make a card. So it's actually 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So you can make 2 cards out of one 8.5 by 11 sheet. That is an A2 size card. Because I know somebody asked me about that before. They didn't know what A2 was. And if you don't know, you didn't know. I know I didn't when I first started. I was like, what is an A2? I never heard it because they don't tell you that in Hallmark. Anyway, this is another one I thought it was cute. This one, yeah, that one's just called Phrase Baby is what it's called. This one is called School Mark. And the the last 2 digits on this one is 10 because the first numbers are the same, 19783, and then the last 2 digits was changed. This one is 10, and this one was 06. So I just like that little print. And I don't know, hopefully you'll be able to see that it's not coming out too wonky. I apologize if it is the wrong angle. You don't have to point it out. I already said I had issues with it, so it won't be a revelation to me. I've already announced that because I know some people just got to come up here and say, oh, you're sideways. Duh, I just said it. This one says, phrase, thank you, 1978307. And this is by Jelly Bean. And this one is postage telegram. So this kind of got a little retro ventral because it has the circular type header font, the kind that you type on it. I don't know what made me get that one. Just thought it was just different. They had a lot of Sizziz and Tim Holtz. They had a couple other cute ones that I didn't get. They had the Eiffel Tower Paris one, but I have a couple ones like it, so I didn't get it. And they also had another one that was kind of blank and edged around the side and print on it. But I think I had one similar to that one, so I didn't get that one. They had quite a few of them. They had the 3-pack, which they had some ATC size ones, which I already had those. But this one is blueprint. I like the masculine. I'm more of a masculine. Plus, I used to want to be an architect. So I like the lines and the designs of it and the cogs. So this one is speaking to me. Plus, somebody, if you wanted to do steampunk or masculine, this would be perfect. But for me, it just reminds me of that. Even though it's not, but it just kind of reminds me of that. It's a blueprint, but not like a drafting of a house or anything. But I love that. So I got this one, and the last 2 digits on this one is 25, and this one's $3.99 because there's a 2-pack. So make sure the first couple digits, since this is a 3-pack, is the same. 19783. Yep. So that was 25, but I love that one. That'd be neat for like Jamie. Boy Spice is having a steampunk one. I did get this thank you because I thought it'd be a quick one to make a thank you card for someone. And the last 2 digits on this one is 84, and it's called Postage Telegram. It's the same name. It's not the right sticker on this one. So this might have the wrong name. This says Postage Telegram, but actually the name of this one is Phrase Thank You. So let me see. They do have different. Oh, you know what? See, good thing I looked. Somebody put the stickers on the wrong one. So they put the thank you sticker on the telegram and the telegram on the thank you. So if you're looking for the thank you, which is this one, that one right there, the last two digits would be 07. If you're looking for this one, the telegram, the last two digits is 84. See? Gotta read. This one looks so familiar. I think I may have, the only thing different is these little stars and these circles look different, but the lines and the dots look familiar. And this one, the last two digits is 02, and that's kind of how that one looks. So that is it. Just like I said, it's just a smaller haul. I'm going tomorrow. I know I'm waiting for all the August stuff. Even though we had some of the We Are Member Keeper stuff out, I'm still looking for the line guides and the edges, the paper tears. So I'm hopefully, because I didn't see it if they got it this time. But it may be because I was traveling, so I might have missed it. But I'm going to go back and see if I can find it. I did get some new plates in from Sizziz. I just ordered some more for my Big Shot Plus because my plates looking terrible. So I'm going to crack those in tonight. And I think that is it. I think I have one more haul from Michaels. Thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing. I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.